डॉक्टर गुलाब खलारी, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, जे कॉलेज आरा। आज मेरे लेक्चर का टॉपिक है प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट कंसेप्ट, अर्थात उत्पादन लागत। उत्पादन प्रक्रिया के दौरान जितनी भी लागतें आती हैं उसी के बारे में एक संक्षिप्त परिचय, एक ब्रीफ आइडिया आज आप लोगों को देंगे। उसके बाद उत्पादन लागत के स्वरूप के बारे में डिटेल में नेक्स्ट क्लास में बताएंगे। तो सबसे पहले एवरी फर्म और प्रोड्यूसर has to arrange various factors of production for the production, अर्थात उत्पादन करने के लिए प्रत्येक फर्म या उत्पादक जो है वह उत्पादन के साधनों को अरेंज करता है। The expenditure made for using these factors in the production process is termed as cost of production। इसे ही उत्पादन लागत कहते हैं। प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट mainly depends upon the quantity of production। उत्पादन लागत जो है मुख्य रूप से उत्पादन की मात्रा पर निर्भर करता है। एंड जनरली कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन rises with increase in production। और उत्पादन बढ़ने से उत्पादन लागत भी बढ़ते हैं। Hence, cost function can be expressed as C equal to function of Q। Here, cost is the function of output. Here, Q is the output। Now, classification of cost. Cost can be divided mainly in three parts: money cost, मौद्रिक लागत; रियल कॉस्ट, वास्तविक लागत; और अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट, अवसर लागत। Now money cost can be divided in three parts: explicit cost, implicit cost, and normal profit। money cost of production measured in terms of money is called money cost। Money cost is the monetary expenditure made by the producer for hiring various factors of production। And money cost is therefore the payment made for the factors in terms of money। In brief, money cost or total money cost equal to explicit cost plus implicit cost plus normal profit। Normal profit is also included in money cost। Now, explicit cost, that is cost of hiring inputs from the market, उसे explicit cost कहते हैं। And implicit cost, that is cost of using self-owned inputs। And normal profit is a profit that is must be included in money cost also। So now next, real cost. This concept was propounded by Marshall। Money costs are the expenses of production from the viewpoint of the producer, but they tell us nothing about what lies behind these costs। Efforts and sacrifices here made in the production process create real cost here। Efforts and sacrifices made in the production process create real cost. So real costs are also termed as, it is also termed as social cost, because the society faces a number of difficulties during the production process. Now, opportunity cost. Austrian economist modified the concept of real cost and presented the concept of opportunity cost. Resources, we know that resources are limited to unlimited ends, and hence the production of one goods means the sacrifice of the other. Opportunity cost of a factor refers to its value available in its next best alternative. Here, best alternative we use. And the cost of opportunity cost can well be explained through a diagram. Here in this diagram, on OX axis we measure the commodity of X, and on OY axis we measure the commodity of Y. BA is the production possibility curve. So BA or AB line represents various possibilities of production of X and Y goods. These are production possibility curve. AB. With limited resources, a producer can produce both X and Y. In such a situation, if the producer wants to increase the production of X, he has to sacrifice the production of Y. The figure shows that for increasing Mn here is positive, quantity of goods, Rs quantity of Y has to be sacrificed Rs quantity. This is negative. So in brief, the opportunity cost of Mn quantity of X goods equal to Rs reduction made in the production of Y. This is the concept of opportunity cost. Now, production cost. Production cost may be divided in two time periods. First, production cost in short period and production cost in long period. In short period, we find fixed cost and variable cost. And in the long run, only variable costs, no fixed cost here. Fixed cost is no. Now, production cost in short period. Short run production process includes here two kinds of factors: fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost. Fixed factors are unaltered during the production process. Variable factors. Various factors are such factors which can be altered during the production process. Now, amount is spent on hiring fixed factors are termed as fixed cost, while the rewards given to variable factors are termed as variable cost. Thus, in brief, we can say that total cost equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. The total cost of producing in production is the sum of all expenditure incurred by the producer in producing a given quantity of a commodity. In short, or in better to say in short period here, TC equal to TFC plus TVC. Now TFC, total fixed cost, is independent of production size. The producer has to bear the fixed cost even if the production level becomes zero. If the production level will become zero, the producer has to bear the fixed cost. TVC, total variable costs, are dependent on production level. It means that variable cost becomes zero at zero level of production. Now, short period average cost. Per unit of cost of producing a commodity is termed as average cost, or ATC, average total cost, or AC, is total cost divided by total units of output, that is ATC or AC equal to TC by Q, where Q is the level of output. In short period, we know that TC equal to TFC plus TVC. By dividing both sides by Q, output, TC by Q equal to TFC plus TVC by Q equal to AC, TC by Q AC, or TFC by Q plus TVC by Q equal to AFC plus ABC. So, in the short period, AC equal to AFC plus ABC. Now, the marginal cost. Marginal means one addition. It is the addition made to the total cost by producing one more unit of output. MC, marginal cost, only depends on variable cost, not on fixed cost. In other words, marginal cost equal to delta TC by delta Q, or differentiation of TC with respect to Q equal to marginal cost, or MCN equal to TCN minus TCN minus 1. Now, production cost in long run. All factors become variable in long period. Producer can increase the number of all factors of production. That is, producer can alter its plant size in the long period. LAC, long run average cost. LAC can be obtained by dividing the long run total cost by producing production quantity, that is LAC equal to LTC by Q. LMC here. LMC is the addition made to the total cost of producing one additional unit of output in the long run. That's all.